Hast thou I been curious about medieval life? Would thou travel time if couldst? Doth thou regard thou wouldst enjoy it? How long wouldst thou last? This is what would befall you if thou lived during the Middle Ages. Hear ye, hear ye! The Middle Ages sucked. After 200 years of peace and prosperity under Pax Romana, the Empire fell into crisis and decline. Thus began the Middle Ages, more commonly known as Dark Ages.
Georgie, how do we formulate Middle Ages or Dark Ages?
Well, it is the time between ancient times and the Renaissance.
Thank you. Thank you. You gave me idea why, but I would like to listen again because I love it. Why, after 2000 of years of prosperity, Roman Empire collapsed?
Well, due to inner problems, it just became less organized and less patriotic, and well, it was mainly inner obstacles, not external ones.
Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it so much. Georgie, which means that latest Roman emperors, they were complete failures. They didn't have real leadership. They failed. What would you do if you were an emperor?
Oh, I can't answer that question. It's fairly complicated.
Oh, yes. Oh, you have 2 or 3 minutes to answer, but probably you have something on your mind.
Well, it is very important to keep the union of the empire, you know.
Oh, I love it, Georgie. I love it so much. And in this case, you have to do what?
Well, probably sacrifice a lot. You know, you will have to dedicate a lot of time to this, but the most important thing is that you keep right people in charge. It is very important that as a monarch, they are loyal to you and your will is truly sacred.
Oh, nice, Georgie. Nice. So, so it is complete integrity plus loyalty plus safety. Anything else?
Well, when you are convinced about the empire as itself being secure, you can then try to, you know, expand it a bit.
Why not? Why not? Oh, why I ask you a question? Well, we think that we live in a very stable times. Probably that's true because you can look at a history only from the distance, right? Probably
Yes.
it's true. Maybe not. But what it is stable. Stable today, it's absolutely doesn't mean that it will be stable tomorrow. And I can hear this instability in the air, and the most, of course, the most brightful example of this instability, it is the United States, unfortunately, because I went there more than 20 years ago, and what I can hear and what I can feel about this country, well, it gives me an idea that this country is on the edge of some kind of transformation. Please correct me. Wrong? Right, I am. And if I'm wrong, say why. And what would you do to escape from this crisis?
Well, I think you're right. I don't think I'm not too competent in that myself, but I think what you said is more or less correct. At least I don't know much more so that I could argue with that. And this is quite a difficult question too, indeed. I mean, I don't really know how to escape this crisis. This was a very big issue back then, but
Georgie,